Welcome to the video demonstration of PumpTrump, the game that will change your life. So this video tutorial is split in two parts. The first part is a setting up part of the game, and the second part it's shown how the players actually play the game. First of all, you have to clone the repository Git and you have to open the folder. In the folder, you will find a file called install.sh, and you have to type in the command line sh install sh. This is the way you will compile the game to be able to run it afterward. Once the installation is done, you have to put /run, and the main screen of the game will open. Now, first of all, you have to create a room in order to initialize the server so other players can connect to it. So in this server, you can put how many players you want and how many lives you want each player to have. Then you have to set the IP of the server, the port server, and the IP broadcast. If you want to use the physical controller, you have to take into account that the port server should be 45.45.6. Then the server is initialized and you can see the server information, how many clients you have connected and which IP ports they have for the server and the broadcast. Afterwards, to start playing the game, you need to join the room. Unless you want to use a keyboard, you just have to put the port broadcast. Otherwise, you will have to put the IP of the server and the port of the server. In this case, we can see how many clients we have connected right now and which is the port broadcast for the server. And we just type it. If we want to use the keyboard, we have to select the options and fill all the other information needed. Then we can choose which player we want to be, either black, blue, red, or magenta. And we have the game initialized. Here we can see we are the blue player and we can see how we get connected and disconnected. If one of the players is disconnected, the game will not run. Since this demo is done in the same computer for the two players, we have to do the same procedure for the second player. However, this is only for the demonstration and the game should be run, or it can be run in different computers. When we connect the second player, we can see how the server gets the connection and knows that the other player is connected. So we already have the two players and both are connected. We have that the player can run, can jump, it can shoot, and it can defend themselves. Also, there's a limited number of bullets, so they have to recharge every time they have used them all. Here we have a little demonstration of the players doing it. When a bullet reaches the other player, we can see that one of the hearts at the top of the screen, which indicates the lives of the player, is removed. When the little icon of a shield is shown in the player, it means that it is defending themselves, so if a bullet reaches, nothing happens. However, the player cannot move while it's protecting itself. Here we can see different players playing in different computers. We have the server initialized, as we can see in the big screen, and now they all have to connect to this server. If you are using the app, you need to follow the procedure as seen here. You will have to introduce the IP of the server and the port server. You can also choose which player you're playing with. As we can see, all the players are already connected and they can start playing. We have one player playing with the physical controller, another one playing from the app, and one playing with the keyboard. And this is how a normal game would be carried. When one of the players is killed, it disappears from the screen. And when there's only one player left, it shows that it is the winner. So here it finishes our demonstration, and now it's your turn to try the game. We hope you enjoy it.